Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to say thank all of you who has been subscribing, watching, sharing, and liking my videos. Thank you so much. I really love you. I have not really had time to say thank you for everything. Now I have the opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my friends, to all my subscribers, to all my viewers, all of you. I really do appreciate. I really thank you all because without you, I would have been there. Like, how is it possible? Thank you so much. You guys really make me feel so happy. Like, you guys were there. You made me reach that top. I am so happy. Still stay tuned and leave my page. Please always like, share, subscribe, and comment. Just say your mind. I'll always be there to answer you. Okay? Bye.